Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel and to this week's trading recap. In this video, I'll walk you through the trades I took from Monday to Friday. I'll explain my entry points, the reasoning behind my trades, and the outcomes. Let's get started. Starting with Monday's trades. On this day, I took a total of 3 trades. The first 2 were quick scalping trades where I secured 20 pips, giving me a solid start to the day. The third trade was a massive win, where I secured a total of 200 pips in a single trade. This trade was based on a channel pattern. I noticed the price rejecting the trend line of the channel, which gave me a strong sell signal. I placed my entry at the rejection point and set my stop loss above the rejection candle and the trend line for safety. As the price started to drop, it gained momentum, and I began trailing the trade to lock in profits. This strategic approach allowed me to secure an impressive 200 pips from this single trade. Identifying and trading around strong patterns like the channel rejection can lead to high-probability setups. Combining clear entry points, disciplined stop-loss placement, and trailing strategies can maximize gains, as seen in the 200-pip win. Moving on to Tuesday's trade. On this day, I patiently waited for the price to form a clear price action pattern. I identified a well-defined triangle pattern and waited for a breakout. Instead of entering immediately after the breakout, I chose to wait for a small retracement and additional confirmation to ensure a higher probability setup. Once confirmed, I placed a buy entry with a tight stop loss for risk management. The price moved in my favor, and I secured 80 pips on this trade. Key takeaway: patience and waiting for confirmation after a breakout can significantly improve trade accuracy. Combining this with tight risk management ensures better outcomes, even in volatile markets. On Wednesday, the markets were closed due to the New Year holiday, so I didn't take any trades. It was a great time to review my past trades and prepare for the remaining trading days of the week. Taking time off during holidays is essential for reflection and preparation. Use this downtime to review performance and refine strategies for better results. On Thursday, I took a total of 4 trades. The first trade was based on a channel pattern. I entered the trade and placed my stop loss below the trend line. Unfortunately, the market took my entry and quickly hit my stop loss, resulting in a minus 35 pip loss. For the second trade, I revisited the same channel pattern but decided to wait for the price to close strongly above the pattern for better confirmation. This time, the trade worked in my favor, and I booked plus 27 pips. In the third trade, I patiently waited for another channel pattern to form. After the pattern broke, I entered a short position and secured plus 20 pips in profit. Finally, for the fourth trade, I noticed increased market volatility and waited for a clear entry point. I identified the price taking support at the bottom of a channel pattern. I entered a long position, placed my stop loss below the trend line, and watched as the price moved strongly in my direction. This resulted in a solid plus 100 pips gain in a single trade. Key takeaway: adapting to changing market conditions and waiting for strong confirmations can significantly improve trade success. Combining patience, pattern recognition, and disciplined risk management led to a strong recovery and a profitable day overall. Finally, on Friday, I took a single trade. I identified a clear channel pattern and patiently waited for the price to break out and close strongly beyond the channel. Once the breakout was confirmed, I entered the trade and placed my stop loss above the confirmation candle for proper risk management. Initially, the price moved in my favor, securing 50 pips, but then it started pulling back toward my entry. I noticed that the price was forming a smaller channel during this pullback. I waited patiently for this second channel to break. Once it did, the price gained momentum again and eventually hit my 100 pip profit target. Key takeaway: combining patience with multi-pattern analysis can lead to high-accuracy trades. Waiting for confirmation on both the initial breakout and subsequent setups within the trade ensures greater confidence and higher profits. That's all I've got for this week's episode. To wrap it up, my total profit for the week came to 512 pips, with a mix of wins and a few lessons learned along the way. If you learned something valuable from this recap, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more trading insights. See you all in the next episode. Thanks for watching.